Chidiweke here. Welcome to Random Unbox TV, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the OLED Note 7. The OLED Note 7 is a budget smartphone. OLED Mobile is one of the largest mobile phone and accessory manufacturers in China. One of the latest budget smartphones recently launched by the company is the OLED Note 7. The OLED Note 7 is designed as a basic value for money smartphone. This smartphone was built for first-timers in mind, which is basically a 3G entry-level smartphone. So this is what you get with the OLED Note 7. You get a charger, a USB cable, a warranty card, a quick guide, a phone charging guide, a screen guard, and a phone case. So before I get into the full review, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And at the end of this video, I would like you to give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. So let's get right into the full review. For the design, featuring a water drop notch, the Note 7 comes with a 6.1-inch display. The body of the OLED Note 7 is made from plastic and weighs about 177.5 grams. It has an aspect ratio of 19 by 2 by 9 and a high pixel density of 277 ppi. This phone comes with 4 cameras, a triple camera at the back with LED flash, and at the front you have a water drop notch camera and a sensor used for face unlock. At the bottom you find the speaker grill below the OLED brand logo. On the right side of the OLED Note 7, you get the volume rocker and the power button, while on the left side of the Note 7 is plain. At the bottom, you find a mic, a micro USB version 2.0 port. The top of the device has a headphone jack. Taking out the back cover of the Note 7 reveals the battery, nano SIM 1 card slot, micro SIM 2 slot, and a TF card slot. When trying to open the back cover of the Note 7, you should be careful not to break it. The Note 7 comes in 3 colors: black, gold, and twilight. For the display, the OLED Note 7 has a 6.1-inch IPS LCD. The screen has a resolution of 600 by 1280 pixels and a 277 ppi density. It also has a water drop notch and an aspect ratio of 20 by 9. For the camera, the OLED Note 7 comes with 4 cameras, a triple camera at the back and 1 camera at the front, that is selfie camera. For the triple camera, we get an 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels and a 2 megapixels with a focal length of 1.8 large aperture at the back with LED flash, and 1 front camera 5 megapixels with a focal length of 2.0 large aperture for taking pictures. Some of the camera features include HDR mode, AI mode, and HD mode. In a well-lit environment, taking a photo with the back camera manages to deliver photos with excellent details. The back camera is able to record video at 720p at 30 fps, while the front camera can take selfie pictures, record videos, and make video calls. The front camera selfies look good but not perfect. I was able to test out the camera features, the front and the back camera.
So I'm at the beach today and I'm testing out the OLED Note 7, OLED phone Note 7. This is the front facing camera. Looks okay.
The Note 7 comes with Face Unlock. Face Unlock, like the fingerprint, is part of the setup process when you get the Note 7. Using your face, you can quickly unlock your phone. OLED phone Note 7 will know when you light up your phone and unlock it and remember your face. For the memory, the Relay Note 7 comes with 1GB of RAM, 16GB of internal storage, and the memory card slot expandable up to 64GB. For the performance, the Relay Note 7 smartphone runs on Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition operating system and powered by 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and features the Mali 400 MP2 GPU, which runs on the MediaKit MT6580 chipset. So if you compare this device with the Gionee P10M, they both had the same specs basically, but the Gionee P10M is also a budget smartphone. For the full screen experience, Note 7 is simple, easy to navigate and performs smoothly without any problems while multitasking, but tend to hang when multiple apps are open in the background. For gamers, it runs most games smoothly, you won't notice any lag while playing. I was able to test out the PUBG Mobile Lite and the Nova Legacy. Both games perform above average. The PUBG Mobile Lite tends to hang while playing. At some stage, I also noticed this phone didn't heat up while playing games and multitasking. The Note 7 Face Unlock is quick and reliable when I tried the Face Unlock feature. For the battery life, the Relay Note 7 comes with a non-removable 3500 mAh battery without fast charging. Note 7 battery life will take you all day without gaming in a single charge. This device doesn't have wireless charging. For the connectivity, the Relay Note 7 has all the connectivity options that the standard smartphone includes: GPRS, Edge, 3G, Wi-Fi with hotspot, Bluetooth, and so many other features. Should you buy the Relay Note 7, you should be able to get this phone for 22,000 naira or $5 within this price online on Jumia Nigeria, Getbest.com or Konga.com. The Relay Note 7 is a budget smartphone with some smart features. One of the reasons you should buy this phone is its battery. Without gaming on this phone, it could take you 48 hours before juicing up. The Note 7 also has features you won't expect to find on a budget device like this. For example, the Face Unlock, which helps you unlock your phone faster. So who is this device for? If you're on a tight budget, for a teenager or a casual phone user, the Note 7 is more than sufficient. So this is all for my review. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and also hit the like button to give us a thumbs up. Please check out our website at randomunboxtv.com. I'll leave the links below in the description box. Thank you.